Hello everyone, I'm Ranjini from BCom PA. In this video, we are going to see about classification of cost accounting. Classification of cost. The term cost itself is without any significant meaning, and therefore it is always advisable to use it with an adjectives or phrase such as prime, direct, indirect, fixed, variable, controllable, opportunity cost, and like. Uh, in order to ascertain, control, manage material, labor, and other expenses are used. Classification of cost according to nature and function. Nature consists of three objectives: material, labor, and other expenses. Function consists of production cost, selling cost, administrative cost, research and development cost. According to the identifiable cost center and production, direct cost, indirect cost. According to behavior, fixed cost and variable cost. According to nature and function, the classification is the basis of recording system. It means a uniform accounting system. According to nature, we have three subheadings: material cost, labor cost, and other expenses. Other expenses like wages, salary, depreciation, and utility. Material cost, cost of material used for manufacturing of production, a particular work order or provisions of a service. Example: cloth for making a dress, or wood in furniture or desk, cotton in textiles, etc. Material cost involves not only raw material cost but also the material used for services is called also material cost. For example, cooking materials, for creating, for catering or stationery and office supplies, etc. Labor cost is defined as the total expenditures incurred from employers in order to employ workers. Labor cost is all labor expended in altering the construction or composition of the product. Direct wages means the wages of labor which can be identified wholly to a particular job, product or process in converting raw material into finished goods. Labor cost includes the direct cost linked to work carried out, such as wages, salaries, vacation payments, or other benefits. Other expenses is defined as money expended or cost incurred in firm's effort to generate revenue, representing cost of doing business. This may be in form of actual cash payment. Example: rent, telephone expenses, insurance, lighting, oil and gas fees paid to consultants, depreciations. Functions classification: production cost, selling and distribution cost, administrative cost, research and development cost. Function classifications of cost defines how the cost was applied. Function classification is also important in giving an opportunity to the management to calculate the efficiency of department performing various functions in the firm. Production and manufacturing cost are all production costs incurred to manufacture the production and to bring them as sellable conditions, including direct material, direct labor, and indirect manufacturing. Selling costs are all the cost marketing functions. Distribution costs including incurred in packing, unpacking, and transportation activity. Administrative cost is the cost of formulating the policies, directing and controlling the business activities, which is not related directly to the production, selling and distribution, research or development activity or function. Direct cost, the expenses that can be completed attributed to the production or cost center in the process of production of articles, material cost, labor cost, and other expenses incurred direct related to the manufacturing activity. Direct cost, for example, in production furniture, the cost of wood and the cost of labor. Converting wood to furniture is directly related with manufacturing activity and will direct cost. Indirect cost, the other costs such as depreciation or administrative expenses are more difficult to assign to a specified product and therefore considered indirect cost.